Why should pharma care about big data?
Manufacturing is undergoing its fourth industrial revolution, known as Industry 4.0, or the Internet of Things, spurred by the spread of digital capabilities and the union of these capabilities with existing production and supply systems. Although there are skeptics, one cannot ignore technology's impact on the way manufacturers conduct business. The information age has created mountains of data in every field. More data has been created in the past 2 years than in the entire history of the human race, and manufacturing generates more data than any other sector. That said, the wealth of data itself is not the disruption. The way that data is processed, made available, and ultimately used to drive outcomes is the disruption.
How are you using your data?
Leading biopharma companies estimate that well under 50% of their manufacturing data is currently used to inform strategic decision making. These same firms anticipate a shift over the next 5 years, expecting to use 75 to 100% of their manufacturing data for this purpose. In an effort to prepare for the shift, these companies are now beginning to establish data-savvy techniques to ensure they are positioned to best leverage their data for strategic decision making.
What is the Manufacturing Intelligence Task Force doing to help?
The PDAA Task Force on Manufacturing Intelligence is focused on the foundational elements of a big data strategy and applied uses of that data in the context of manufacturing operations, process robustness, and predictive monitoring. Specifically, the task force includes experts from 9 companies organized around the foundational elements of manufacturing data structure, data process, and data science, along with a focus on business applications for process robustness, predictive monitoring, and predictive maintenance. With 2 in-person meetings in the past 7 months and numerous virtual collaborations, the team is progressing well. Our goals for the next year include publishing a technical report, a position paper, and designing a case study. We hope you can join us on this exciting journey.